Okay, here's your inbox. And from your inbox to add contacts, you're going to go up to the corner where your Office apps for 365 are and click on those. Then you will find the people. Click on People. A list of your contacts will appear. To add a new contact, you would click on New. Then you can add a name. I'm going to add my husband's name. And an email that you will be using for that contact. And then click Save. And that is a basic addition of contact. Now, when you are back in your mail box and you wish to write a new message, you can start typing that person's name and their contact will show up for you to simply click and enter it into the To field for your email.